Hi friends, today we'll see a very flavorful kurma recipe with mutton bones. Add 1 cup water in a pressure cooker. Add half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon salt. Add the muttons. Give a quick mix. Close and cook for about 25 minutes. In a pan add 3 spoons sesame oil, 2 to 3 green chilies, half spoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon jeera, few curry leaves. Saute them. I have cut 2 big onions into small cubes. We'll add them. 2 bay leaves. Saute until golden brown. Add half spoon turmeric powder. Add 2.5 spoons of chilli and coriander powder mixed in equal ratio. Fry them along with the onions. Now add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry them for 2 minutes. Add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes well and add 1 spoon of garam masala. I am adding 2 potatoes cut into cubes. We'll add the cooked mutton bones along with its soup. Combine them well with the masalas. Adjust salt. I am adding 1.5 spoons of salt. Close with a lid and cook the potatoes. Meanwhile, in a mixie jar, add 10 black peppers, half cup coconuts, handful of coriander leaves, and again a handful of curry leaves. Add little water and blend them. I'm adding 1 spoon of sesame seeds. This is totally optional. We can add cashews at this stage and grind them into a smooth paste. Now we'll check if the potatoes have got cooked. Add the blended mixture at this stage. Mix them well and allow them to boil for some 5 to 6 minutes. We'll close with the lid and boil it. Curry leaves provides a very good flavor for this recipe. Add coriander leaves and your mutton bone kurma is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.